up, y'all? We back. We got back with the finished product. Y'all look at it so y'all can see the finished results. So here we go. We got this. We just went on the through and trimming up around this bush a little bit, getting it cleaned up, because we like, when we put our name on it, we always like for it to look spectacular and your customers will be happy and they keep coming back. It can't always just be a taker. Sometimes you got to give to your customers, and I didn't trim these bushes, but I did. Anything that was hanging over the grass, I did make sure that I trimmed it back for the customer. Just did a little something extra for them. Let me take y'all to the back, because y'all know it was a straight jungle back there, so we got some good footage on that this time, so y'all can see the type of work that goes into the cleanups. So this is the finished results. Got some little things over here, but we made sure we got everything cleaned up for the customer like she wanted. It's going to take a while for the grass to rejuvenate. I'll keep mulching it down. She might want to seed it, fertilize it, do some things to it, but we'll discuss that with the customer later on. But this is the finished product. Everything cleared off, everything cleaned up. And again, it takes some time, but of course you can get it done. It's not no excuses. They sit here and say you need a whole team to get it done, but I do this stuff on a daily by myself, so I know that that isn't the truth, that you don't have to have a big team to be able to get your business up and running. The best equipment, you don't need all that stuff. All you need is pretty much the essentials to get started, and make sure you just keep giving your customers that quality service. It's your name on the line, guys. So make sure that you understand, if you putting your name on it, that you giving your customers the high quality results that they're gonna have. You know, that expectation. So got them all done over here, got them cleaned up, and we'll see how it goes, what you want to actually do to the back. But ultimately, we're gonna have another happy customer, you know. So, and while I was here, the young lady across the street asked, can we cut her grass? We're not taking people right now that isn't getting on schedule, unless you're getting cleanups or something like that. So for regular grass cutting, you got to get on our maintenance schedule. So she's going to join our maintenance schedule now that she knows we're going to be here every 2 weeks. So we just out here working, y'all. Just keep on grinding. Just keep on, like I say, keep on promoting. Keep on putting yourself out there. Keep on giving your customers the highest level of their expectations, and you actually producing on a high level. So that's one of the major keys to being successful in business. Appreciate y'all tuning in and watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoy the content. Let me know what y'all want in the future, and I'll keep trying to deliver anything that y'all want, so we can have this channel grow and be successful in that as well. So again, hit that like and subscribe button. Y'all keep making money. I'll talk to y'all soon.